Alright, this is a 47-foot Marine Trader trawler. She's 1988 in very nice condition. Huge fly bridge, brand new enclosure, plenty of seating, and a great view. Recent Garmin GPS chart plotter. And then dinghy on top with a dinghy lift. Comes with an engine and a couple steps down to the huge aft deck. Also a new enclosure. Wing doors, wide walk around side decks. And below is the Salon, and she's a 3-stateroom boat. Real comfortable layout. Also 2 steering stations, the one up top on the bridge and this one below, with an exit entrance door, easy for tying up. Another Garmin chart plotter down here. And galley down. The dinette converts to a bed. And refrigeration, freezer. Plenty of area for cooking, U-shaped galley. And forward is upper and lower berth. Head and shower. And then engine access is through the steps coming up, or right here on the floor where all the hatches open up for engine access. The aft stateroom